Hey everyone, it's Blockchain Bernie here, broadcasting live from sunny California. All right, is Bitoku an L2 for Solana? That's a question that we have been asked often. So let me just explain it in this video, and I have a short answer for you. The short answer is it depends. All right, if you want to know more of the details, watch this short video to the end. So what is Bitoku, by the way? So we have a lot of other videos on this channel. Check it out. Bitoku is a blockchain-based storage layer for Solana smart contracts. So it's not just a storage blockchain as Filecoin is or SC Prime or something. It is specifically designed for smart contracts and for super fast performance smart contracts as they are running on the Solana chain. So our storage chain is also fast. We're going to have millions of storage provider nodes that can provide storage to that blockchain. And we have validator nodes as well that validate the storage transaction. And you can be part of that blockchain by running a validator node. And our node sale starts November 5th. Link is in the description. If you're not there at that point in time, you might miss out. You will miss out on the best prices. So check that out. Link in the description. Bitoku is that storage layer, the missing storage layer that will, enable a whole new class of Web3 dApps that are storage enabled. And Bitoku is interacting with Solana and with Solana programs to make them storage enabled. So the way that works is you write code on the Solana chain, right? And then we have an SDK. So you can call that SDK from within your Solana program. And then that will communicate with the Bitoku blockchain, right? So the SDK that you can call from within your Rust code in the Solana program, it'll write things into specific Solana accounts that will be read by our blockchain. And then we will make sure to write that stuff to files that are being stored on those storage providers, millions of storage providers around the world. And obviously, unlike with, other L1 chains, it's not stored on each and every validator and not stored on each and every storage provider. But you can pick like, okay, I want to have it on 5. On 7 or on 17 storage providers, depending on the level of redundancy that you want. And we provide all the security, the proof of replication and stuff like that to make sure that these storage providers do what they're supposed to do, store your data. And that's happening in the validator nodes of the Bitoku chain. So the Bitoku is, I said it depends. It depends on how you define layer 2, right? But the normal definition would be it's like a silo on top of the L1. The L1 provides all the security for all those transactions. And then, the L2 in the normal sense of the word cannot live without its L1 that it's relying on, right? And it's not like that with the Bitoku chain. Bitoku is a blockchain of its own, like Filecoin or SC Prime or something like that. But it's designed to interact with smart contracts, and we build it on the Solana chain first, just because Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world, and we need that performance in order to get mass adoption. We want to change the world. We're not building blockchain for a few thousand users, right? In order for blockchain and cryptography and blockchain-based storage to do its good to society, it has to be mass adopted. So that's why we're building it to interact with Solana first, and it might interact with other blockchains in the other, smart contract L1 blockchains in the future. But we don't see Bitoku as an L2 on top of Solana. It is more a side-by-side relationship, right? And Solana is the world's CPU and the world's state machine, whereas Bitoku is the world's SSD drive, right? It's specialized on storing and retrieving data, whereas Solana and the other chains are specialized on running code on on a blockchain with thousands of validators. And we have thousands of validators as well, but it's all about storage there, right? So, as in real life, we need both CPU and storage, as in every other server also. And it's just missing in the world of smart contract blockchains as of now. That's why we're building Bitoku, to help decentralize the world and get the world into a mode where, you know, things are decentralized and we don't have centralized control, and it's community owned, and we see that everywhere. It's happening in technology, in cryptography, but it's happening in any other aspects of life. People are just getting more and more self-contained. You know, technology drives them to be able to do so many more things on their own that haven't been possible 100 years ago, right? And this trend is unstoppable, and we're all going to be in decentralized mode, in you know, no central control mode in a few years from now. And you know, my thesis is by 2035, things like AWS will be just gone, right? Centralized storage, centralized compute will just be gone, because blockchain and cryptography and crypto has eaten the world by then. All right. Thanks for watching, and catch you soon.